It's no secret that the world we're living in today is drastically different than it was even a few years ago. Now, more than ever, it's essential that you have the training, education, and legal protection you need to keep yourself and your loved ones safe. That's why right now, when you activate your life-saving USCCA membership at the Platinum or Elite level, you'll automatically get our brand new survival kit valued at over $155 for free. Now, this kit is jam-packed with equipment to get you through an emergency situation. It's essentially a pre-made ditch bag put together by experts. But you can't delay on this, guys. We truly only have a limited number of these, and I want to be sure you'll have the protection you need in today's world. Now, remember, when you activate your USCCA membership at the Platinum or Elite level, you'll get this free survival kit and all the life-saving benefits that the USCCA membership has to offer. The moment your risk-free membership is activated, a few key things happen. First, your self-defense legal protection instantly kicks in. That means you have the USCCA's award-winning services at your disposal 24/7 instantly. Secondly, you get access to life-saving exclusive training from industry experts. Guys, this includes everything from attorney self-defense webinars to military-level training videos. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of these amazing benefits and, in particular, this incredible survival kit offer. Activate your risk-free USCCA membership today.